Rise of robots boosts construction. Ace Construction, Texas. Use of robots is on the rise in every aspect of construction. From the design phase where new construction materials are produced to digging holes with technology-enhanced heave machinery, robots are boosting construction in ways never seen before. Ace Construction, Texas stays on the cutting edge of new technologies. Robotics, which includes AI, artificial intelligence, isn't going away for all those construction old souls who believe hard labor is the only way to go. New robotics technology comes online daily with new and improved tools meant to make work easier, quicker, and markedly more efficient. Robots or robotic equipment must be embraced by the construction industry. Cost savings of robotics. Robots in many instances can provide a cost savings to construction companies. A robotic ditch digger could be set on a line to dig a new trench and be left alone while workers are used elsewhere. It may only take one worker operating the digger to complete a mile-long trench compared to a dozen workers under normal circumstances. This reallocation of labor can save money. Further examples of this self-operating heavy machinery use include bulldozers, excavators, and cranes. Can you imagine a self-operating bulldozer being programmed with GPS coordinates and the required elevation as it sets out to dig a hole to correct specifications for the future foundation of an office tower? Robotics use increases efficiencies at all levels of construction, speeds up work timelines, and ultimately makes a project more profitable. As these new technologies are infused into construction work, there will be a need to provide education for displaced workers. This may be an answer to the construction world labor shortage because as machines take over one job, a person could be trained to fill another job with limited worker prospects. Robots are labor link in construction. You know technology is here to stay when the demolition man becomes the demolition robot. A Japanese company developed a machine-based system for construction and demolition recycling. The robot does all the demolition work while an AI brain learns everything about what the robot touches. The machine system can recognize and remember pieces of construction material worth recycling and instruct the robot in this system about keeping or discarding construction material. The robotics system learns as it works. With an ever-present need for labor in construction, robots are becoming more tempting for construction companies to adapt the technology and use it to their advantage. Holes in the labor market may be met by these advanced machines. When a robotics system like this is used instead of humans, some may wonder how this will affect workers. With an aging and retiring construction labor workforce with limited replacement by younger generations, new robots may be the answer to attracting these less labor-leaning workers. How cool would it be for a younger worker to discover construction automation? Someone who grew up playing video games could discover he or she could operate a multi-million-dollar piece of heavy equipment by using virtual reality or a joystick attached to a console in an air-conditioned office with a built-in self-serve cafeteria. The construction industry must adapt to the technology and then recruit workers to keep the industry operating successfully into the future.